guys, I'm Sophie from Art Makeup by Sophie. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a realistic scarf. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, subscribe here down below, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. First you need collodion, and I'm just going to apply it underneath. After you've applied it, you have to straighten it, so you create a wrinkled effect. You have to repeat these steps around 5 or 10 times on each knuckle. Then you need some liquid latex and a cotton pad. First you apply the latex on top of the collodion and then you put the cotton on top of it. You have to repeat these steps a few times. To color our scalp, I'm using my coloring palette. I start with the red color to create some irritation. To color the actual scarf, I use a brown color. Next I also use a green and yellow color, because scarves have also different colors in there. Then I use my thick blood. And I apply this on the parts where I want the scarf to look cracked open. So this is the final look. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe here down below, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!